In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer your tickets from a web browser at their mobile website, but you can also do this through the app or on your computer. Regardless of which option you pick, the process is mostly the same. First off, open up your order within the web page of the website. When you open up your order after signing in, select Transfer Ticket at the bottom of your specific ticket order. You should see all of your available tickets included in that order. Use the tick boxes at the left side to select which tickets you want to transfer and then choose Continue. Enter the recipient details, including their name, email, and then an option note, like a message for example, and then click Send. You will get this prompt to tell you that the tickets were complete, were sent, and you're all set. Read through the message if you wish and then click Done. This is how the transfer confirmation email will look, and whoever you transfer them to will be able to access their status and see it on their account alongside yours. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.